So what's up? Welcome to my review, I guess, tutorial, overview, unboxing, installing of the DynaTrap DT1750. According to this thing, it has a 3/4 acre coverage. Now, originally I bought a bigger version of this, but the seller on Amazon mysteriously had a technical glitch that didn't fill the order. And then when I went to place the order again, they raised the price by 60 bucks. Shame on you. Anyhow, I have a mosquito problem in my backyard. I'm from South Texas. We get some rain and then it's mosquito hell out there. You know those boxes that you see scientists stick their arm in so they can stimulate mosquito bites? That's what I have in my backyard. That and a cat infestation. So anyhow, the solutions that we've had to date is citronella candles, which means we have to burn about 500 of them, or covering ourselves in repellent, which is gross and sticky. So let's give this a shot. So in the video, I'll be unboxing and then I'll hang it outside. Got to do that part quick because I'm going to get eaten alive. And then what I'll do is I'll go back in a week, open up the trap, and we'll see what's inside of it. All of this so that you can make the decision whether this is the right unit for you or not. So if you don't enjoy putting things together, instant win right out of the box. It comes fully assembled. It also comes with this little brush, which is to clean out the debris and critters, and a small screwdriver. And that's going to be in the event that you have to swap out the UV bulb that's in there. Not sure how to take it apart yet, but I'm sure we can figure that out should we need to later on. Another cool thing is on the top is this small clip here. That's to hang it. Now this is kind of chintzy looking, whatever. The unit is probably about 20 pounds or so, but I'm guessing this should be okay. I hope it doesn't fall. But that's the hook that it comes with. I'm going to hang it with the hook, and if it fails on me, then you'll know maybe we need to reinforce that. On the back side of the unit, you'll see the words on and off. Underneath here is the on-off switch. It's actually rubberized. You just kind of push it off and push it on. That's what doesn't have to stay on 24/7. Now, as far as the power cable is concerned, it's a two-prong. The cable's about 10 feet in length. Now, there are advertisements that you can put this thing out in the middle of your yard or somewhere out where the infestation is. Just keep in mind that you will need an extension cord if it's further than 8 to 10 feet from the power source. Also, make sure that you do invest in power extension cords that are rated for outdoor use. So I'm opting to hang this thing up on the back porch. I've got a hanger bar that I installed up here, and I'm just going to go ahead and hook it. Okay, and then all we got to do is turn it on. You will see a blue glow from the light bulb letting you know it's on. The fan will kick on as well, and it's extremely quiet, which is amazing. Now we'll be back in 1 week to test it out to see how many mosquitoes and other guys we caught. So at this point, it's been a week. I've had it running continuously, day and night. Now at night, I turn off the porch light so that this thing is the only light that's illuminated. It's extremely bright. A bright blue, it's not obnoxiously bright, but it gives off a lot of light. And it seems like it has a lot more success in the dark with the light turned off overhead. But it does also capture insects during the day. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna open the capture cage here and see what we have. Now, word of advice, the insects that are in there don't die instantly. They go in there and they're basically on death row until they die of dehydration, that's how they put it. So I gave it a quick spray with some bug spray just to kind of kill off whoever is still alive, put them out of their misery, right? I'm gonna go and open it. Let's take a look to see what we got. Now, I will tell you that initially this backyard was infested with mosquitoes. So coming out here, running in, running out was a quick thing. You didn't want to spend too much time out here because you would be eaten alive. Now, I'm out here right now. I've been out here for about 10 minutes or so. I've seen a couple of mosquitoes, but I am not being devoured. So it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have. So at first glance, I have a significant amount of insects in here. Moths, beetles, June bugs, you name it. If it flies, it's in here. I don't see any wasps or honeybees, which is great if you have any concerns about honeybees. Now, one thing I will tell you is that it did capture a lightning bug, and it horrified my wife. She wanted me to open it and release everybody because she didn't want the lightning bugs to be in here, but they did capture them. I can't really tell if there's mosquitoes in here or not, but like I said, I can tell you that I'm not being eaten alive by mosquitoes right now. So there's definitely some benefit to having this thing set up for the last week. According to the manufacturer, it takes about 3 weeks or so to fully eliminate the mosquito problem. But like I said, it's been 1 week. I've been out here for about 15 minutes now, and I'm not dying. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with how this has worked out.